Hey there, adventure enthusiasts! Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where epic journeys start with the perfect rig. We're stoked to showcase this recent trade-in, a 2021 Keystone Raptor 423 fifth-wheel toy hauler, priced at an unbeatable $62,900. This 44-foot beast, with the versatile 423 floor plan, features 3 massive slide-outs and a 13-foot garage, sleeping up to 7 for ultimate family fun. This Raptor steals the show and also comes equipped with an optional Onan 5.5 kilowatt generator and ready for your toys and travels. Buckle up for a thrilling tour to explore every rugged, luxurious detail of this incredible deal. Let's kick off outside, where the 2021 Keystone Raptor 423 commands attention. Stretching 44 feet with a sturdy frame, this toy hauler is built for durability and adventure, offering a perfect balance of size and maneuverability. Powered by a robust towing setup, it's designed to pair with your heavy-duty truck, and the included Onan 5.5 kilowatt QG generator with a fuel station ensures you're ready for off-grid escapades. The rugged construction, with fiberglass sidewalls and a reinforced frame, delivers reliability for all your outdoor pursuits. The exterior is packed with features to fuel your adventures. A full pass-through front storage compartment offers ample room for gear, from camping essentials to outdoor toys. The exterior kitchen and entertainment center, complete with a 40-inch TV, mini fridge, and stainless gas grill, transforms any campsite into a lively hub for barbecues or movie nights. Dual power side patio awnings and a rear patio awning with fold-out mesh fencing create a versatile outdoor living space, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. A 6.1-touch automatic hydraulic leveling system ensures quick, stable setup, while the rear-view camera and monitoring system make hitching and navigation effortless. The 13-foot garage, with its separate door entry, is ready to haul your ATVs, bikes, or other toys securely. Powering your trips is a cinch with this toy hauler's reliable systems. The Onan 5.5 kilowatt QG generator, paired with a fuel station, delivers dependable power for boondocking or remote adventures. Dual roof-mounted AC units keep the interior cool, even in scorching heat, while a gas/electric heating system ensures comfort in cooler weather. The electrical setup is designed for efficiency, supporting your appliances and devices with ease. Washer and dryer hookups in the garage add convenience, making this rig perfect for extended trips or full-time living. Step inside, and the 423 floor plan reveals a spacious, adventure-ready interior. 3 huge slide-outs create an open layout that sleeps up to 7, ideal for families or groups hitting the road with toys in tow. The layout features twin queen bunk beds in the rear garage, a solo overhead bunk bed above the main living room, and a queen-size bed in the elevated master bedroom. The large main living room is a cozy haven, with a 3-person and 2-person recliner seating setup facing a 50-inch TV and electric fireplace with heat, perfect for unwinding or hosting friends. The overhead bunk, which stows neatly when not in use, adds flexible sleeping without sacrificing space, while durable flooring and modern cabinetry create a stylish, rugged vibe. The full kitchen is a game changer, built for effortless meal prep. You've got a stainless steel gas, electric refrigerator and freezer, a gas stovetop and oven, a microwave, and a residential sink and faucet, making it easy to cook everything from quick snacks to full meals. Ample cabinetry keeps your kitchen organized, while the sleek design adds a touch of sophistication. The private bathroom is a standout, featuring a huge glass shower enclosure, skylight, sink, vanity, toilet, and power vent fan, offering a spa-like retreat for refreshing after a day of adventure. The washer and dryer hookups in the garage make laundry a breeze, ideal for long-term camping or full-time RV life. The elevated master bedroom is a serene retreat designed for restful nights. The queen-size bed provides plush comfort, paired with a 32-inch TV, wardrobe closet, and ample storage for your belongings. The slide-out creates an open, airy feel, while coordinated window treatments add a warm, home-like touch. The twin queen bunk beds in the 13-foot garage, which double as seating or dining space, along with the overhead bunk, offer flexible sleeping for up to 7, making this rig perfect for family vacations or group outings. Let's highlight what makes this toy hauler a true standout. The 423 floor plan, with 3 slide-outs and a 13-foot garage, offers unmatched versatility, sleeping 7 while hauling your toys. The Onan generator and fuel station ensure off-grid capability, while the exterior kitchen, entertainment center, and rear deck with mesh fencing elevate outdoor living. Features like the hydraulic leveling system, washer-dryer hookups, and electric fireplace add convenience and luxury, making every trip unforgettable. At just $62,900, this 2021 Keystone Raptor 423 is an incredible value for a feature-packed fifth-wheel toy hauler. Envision hitting the road in this 2021 Keystone Raptor 423. Towing your ATVs or bikes to desert trails, mountain campsites, or lakeside retreats with your crew. Picture grilling on the outdoor kitchen, relaxing by the fireplace, or sleeping soundly in the queen-size bed after a day of adventure. This toy hauler blends rugged functionality with home-like comfort, ensuring every journey is epic. With its spacious garage and family-friendly design, this rig is ready to make your outdoor dreams a reality. Let's talk about why this Raptor is a top choice. Keystone's rugged design shines in the durable construction, spacious interior, and practical features like the garage's bunk beds and rear deck. The high ceiling height and modern finishes create an open, inviting feel, while the rear-view camera and hydraulic leveling system add ease and safety. From the exterior entertainment setup to the versatile sleeping options, this toy hauler is built for adventure and comfort. Ready to take your trips to the next level? Ready to roll with this beast? Priced at just $62,900. This 2021 Keystone Raptor 423 is a rare find for a fully loaded fifth-wheel toy hauler. Call us at 864-260-9276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to get the details or schedule a viewing. The team at Porter's RV Sales is pumped to help you hit the road in this awesome rig. Thanks for joining us for this action-packed walk-around of the 2021 Keystone Raptor 423. Explore more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porter's RV Sales, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share. With its 13-foot garage, premium features, and unbeatable price, this toy hauler is a must-have. Call us today at 864-260-9276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2021 Raptor 423. This is Porter's RV Sales, and we're thrilled to see you conquer the road in style.